Good morning. Good morning. This is CEO Trades where money works for you. Today is April 20th, Tuesday, April 20th, 8:40 Eastern Standard Time. Just want to look at a few stocks that are possibly either moving or on my scope for investment. It's amazing that FCEL is kind of complete downtrend from back on February 10th, just straight down, straight down. We don't know where the bottom is because it's kept going down. I do like this stock. I have invested up here in the 17s, again in the 13s, and I am considering if I will catch it again, but I've got to see some move, some action before I jump in. So that's one of my uh, stocks that I'm watching today. Turks was rated at $99 a share, and it went down all the way to $12 a share. This was its low right here, I believe. If not, maybe it's a little bit lower than that, but it's at 13 right now. I have a few shares. I got 200 shares when I saw it go to 20 because I thought it was a huge sale and it was well worth it. But as you can see, it's still on a downtrend, but I'm still holding. JetBlue, I have collected some shares in the 19s. I am expecting this company to announce in the next, probably the beginning of May, flights to Europe, specifically London. Once it announces that, this stock should start to rise. That's what I'm expecting. I know that they announced last week flights to Guatemala, but I didn't see much of a move. It moved maybe $1, but I'm hoping that I can gain at least $25 a share. So it's about $5 to $6 per share that I've invested in. AMBO, I'm watching this. If it goes up to 3 and I see that it's a strong bullish candle going upwards, I will invest at 3. I'm watching it to see what happens. Right now, it's on a consolidation pattern. We'll see what happens later as the market opens today. HQG is on one of my penny stocks that I'm watching. I'm at a loss right now, but I'm holding for long term. I believe this one will rise once the stock market starts to move. Plug, I'm down a lot on Plug, and I'm going to be holding this for a while because I invested and I never got out, and my stop loss didn't hit on time. And I hope to be able to get some of those gains back, as will happen in the investment world in general. Coin is on my watch. I believe this stock, if it rises any more from 330 a share right now, it's going to drop somewhere in the low 200s. Somewhere around 250 is what I have been betting that it's worth, and it's holding in the 300s, 330 right now. But we'll see what happens in the next few days. Pets I'm watching as well. Also, I know I don't have any shares yet, but I'm looking to see if it hits 3, I might jump in. I need to see some movement before I do anything in reference to this one. And that's it in reference to stocks. Now, in reference to crypto, I have one major crypto that I am watching, and I wanted to show you. This is Doge. I alerted this on the weekend. I told my private group that when it was at 29.29 cents a share, 29 cents a share, to invest because by Sunday or Monday morning, they'd be able to get 20 to 30% returns. And sure enough, it hit 42 cents, 42 cents a share. If you benefited from this move, fantastic, fantastic for you. Congratulations. Now, in the last week, we can see the move here. This is what happened in the last week. It hit a high on Friday of $44, 44 cents, 0.448 a share, and then it hit another high of, a secondary high of 44.4 cents. Now it's consolidating in this area, 42, 42. I'm expecting a breakout. A lot of people have sold off Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the other major coins to invest in Doge because Doge is moving. It's going to move. It's going to make a massive move. It seems like April will end up being in favor of Doge at this point. I can see that consolidation as well as uptrend right in here. It's a slight uptrend. Let's just look at from a month's point of view. You see the whole uptrend right there in the last 24 hours. It's somewhat consolidating right here in this area in the mid 38 cents share. It hit 42. I know that it just has to break that in order to get to the 50s, where I believe it's going to hit. And then it might be a good point to sell and catch it back as it hits the 40s again. That's my 2 minute market update. I believe that you can make money in this stock market. The stocks in general are slow, but crypto has picked up a lot of volume, and Dogecoin is a great place to invest, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, and so on. Those are longer term stocks. I have invested in them, and I recommend you to consider making investments in them. This is CEO Trades, where money works for you. Have a fantastic day and enjoy your investments. And be aware that whatever you invest, be sure that you're willing to lose, because sometimes it's not going to go your way, just like it's happened to me. Enjoy your day. Have a fantastic one.